Because I put my head in this little thing, so where you're supposed to put your head, and if your head was, your leg was really strong, you wouldn't get it chopped off. But don't worry, nobody died. It's secure, it's safe, but I was really scared and I did, and it went on and it touched my neck and it like bloody hurt. That wasn't real, but it was actually scary. It was scarier. But this is the second scariest thing in my life. I don't want to kill somebody, but I do want to kill somebody. With a water raft.
A water raft?
A water raft.
Cool.
It's where you jump in the water. In white water rafting.